everybody, welcome to another third grade YLOC video. The first topic that we're going to be going over is place value. Number 2. So if we look at number 2, we can see that the 3 is underlined. The number farthest to the right is known as the ones place. And the 3 is in the ones place. So the answer is ones. Number 3. As we know, the number farthest to the right is the ones place. After the ones place is the tens place, and after the tens place is the hundreds place. Hundred place. Number 7. Remember, this is the ones place, and then after the ones is the tens place. So number 7 is tens. And number 11, ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and thousands place. The next topic is even and odd. So an even number is any number that ends in a 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. And then an odd number is any number that ends in a 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. So, let me just rewrite that. 5, 7, or 9. So if we look at number 2, the number is an odd number because it's a 9. And over here, we could see that an odd number ends in a 9. So the answer for number 2 is going to be odd. Number 8, 45. 45 ends in a 5, which is odd. So the answer is going to also be odd. Number 11, 520. 520 ends with a 0, which 0 is an even number, so the answer is going to be even. And number 14, 110 again ends in a 0, so it's going to be an even number. The next topic is multiplication. So I'm going to be drawing the number of sets for each problem. 3 times 4. I'm going to be drawing 3 sets of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's one set. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's another set. And one last set. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're just going to be counting the set, or counting how many circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the answer is going to be 12. Number 8, I'm going to be drawing it again. I'm going to be drawing 2 sets of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's one set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're just going to be counting up how many little triangles there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the answer is 10. And on the last topic, which is word problems, it says there are 260 kinds of horses in the world. What is the value of the 2 in the number 260? So remember, in the first page we went over place value, and I said that the number farthest to the right is known as the ones place. And then the next number is the tens place. And after the tens, the 2 in this case is the hundreds. So since in the problem it's asking what the number 2 is, the answer is going to be hundreds because that's the place value the 2 isn't. So I'm just going to write it again in a different color. And hundreds is the answer. The hundreds place. And number 4, it says, the number 126 is an even number. Write 2 more even numbers, including one with the 4th digit. And on the second page we went over even and odd numbers, and I said that, I'm going to be writing it over here. An even number is any number that ends in a 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. So in this problem, you could write any number that ends in any of these numbers. So I'm just going to give a few examples. Even though it says we also have to give one with the 4 digit. So I'm going to be writing a number. Oh, also, the first 2 numbers, like 126, these don't have to be even numbers. They could be any numbers, but just the last number has to be even. So some examples are 604. Another example is 52. And 5,288. And one more is the number 2. Those are some examples of even numbers. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys understand these topics better and have a great day.